So ICSE Max 10th Trigonometry from R.S.AGGARWAL book. Okay, this is example 7, second subdivision. Secant A minus tan A divided by secant A plus tan A. Okay, this is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square A minus 2 secant A tan A. Okay, so this is our LHS and RHS. We are using the usual phenomena, okay, to get the RHS. Okay, so see kids, take your LHS. Okay, so before that we should know the basic identity includes tan theta and secant theta. What is that identity? That is 1 plus yes, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So keep this one here. So we get secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, so and keep this tan square here itself. We have secant square theta minus 1. So we should know these three things clearly. We can do the problem very much easily. Okay, so this is very important one, the identity. Okay, now take your LHS, secant A minus tan A, okay, divided by secant A plus tan A. So after seeing the problem, what is your next step in your mind? So we have a plus sign and minus sign on the whole. Okay, so what do we do now? This is, we can take conjugate. Okay students, so conjugate taking, what is the conjugate for this denominator? That is, yes, here we have to multiplying the conjugate. So conjugate is secant theta, yes, minus tan A, okay, by secant A minus tan A. So this is our conjugate. Okay, so what is our next step? You just multiply the numerator, okay, denominator. Okay, so because we have a multiplication sign, so numerator we have secant A minus tan A the whole square. Okay, yes, by the denominator, see, it is of the form a minus b and a minus b. The numerator we have, this one is a plus b and this is a minus b. So for that we can write a square minus b square. So what is our a here? So that is secant, okay, minus tan square theta. So what is our tan square? Yes, right here itself. Secant square minus tan square. What is that? You just see the table. Yes, secant square minus tan square, you can write equal to 1. Okay, so we have only the numerator whole square. Okay, so the denominator we have 1. Okay, so denominator is of the form a minus b the whole square. So what is that? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, shall we apply? Yes, so what is our a? So this is our a and this is our b. Okay, so a and b. So for a square you just write a secant square. For b square you just write tan square. Okay, for this a square plus b square. In the formula, what is the sign in the formula? You have to use this plus and here it is a minus. Okay, so minus 2. For a you just write secant A and b for tan A. Okay, okay, see this RHS, is this equal? No. See students, we have this term and not this term, we have 1. So we have, there is no secant square. So after seeing the RHS, I am tend to change this secant square. How will you change? See this, we can, yes, for secant square you can write 1 plus tan square. Okay, with by the identity. Okay, so the identity we will get 1 plus tan square A minus 2 secant A tan A. Okay, so what do we get? 1 plus, just we can add tan square theta. After adding we get 2 tan square A. How ma'am? X square, see, x square plus x square, we have to write 2x square. Similarly the same process for tan theta also. Okay, so this is 2 tan secant theta tan theta. So this is our RHS. Okay students, do you understand ma? Yes, so this is a very simple problem, nothing difficult. See, I am going to say again, see, so listen carefully. Okay, just you have taken the conjugate, so take the LHS. Okay, so the conjugate of the denominator, so that is secant minus tan. Okay, so multiplying secant minus tan, and this is also secant minus tan. Okay, so after seeing this is of the form a minus b, and this is of the form, means in the denominator we have a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so just multiply this one, so this is a minus b the whole square. In the denominator it is a square minus b square. So this is both are different students. Okay, you should not confuse with the whole square and the individual whole square. It's both are different, excuse me. Okay, see this, so in the denominator we get 1 because secant square minus tan square equal to 1. So we have only the numerator. So what is in the numerator? It is secant a minus tan a the whole square. So whole square means you can apply the algebraic identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so secant square plus tan square minus 2 secant a tan a. So still I didn't get the RHS. Okay, so I am seeing the RHS. There is no secant square is there. So substitute, I am just substituting 1 plus tan square. In the trigonometric problem we have to see the RHS also. Okay, so after seeing the RHS we will get some idea to get the RHS. Okay students, so that is why I have done in this problem. See this step, secant square, we have substitute 1 plus tan square. Okay, so this is again tan square theta minus 2 tan secant and tan. So secant square equal to 1 plus tan square. Okay, so tan square plus tan square, we keep this 1 as it is, and tan square plus tan square is equal to 2 tan square a minus 2 secant a tan a. So this is our RHS, we get our answer. Okay students, do you understand ma? So with very simple steps we got the problem. So with the knowing thoroughly of the algebraic identity and the trigonometric identity, we can do the each and every problem more and more easily. Okay, thank you students.